Hello everyone, welcome to AlgoChat. So this is our 11th video and we are solving the SQL 50 of LeetCode. So we have solved 10 problem and we are on now 11th problem, which is employee bonus. So this is the problem. Let's start with the problem. So it's 577 employee problem. It's easy category. And the schema, if we talk about schema, so we have given two table. So here in employee table, you have four columns, which is employee ID, name, supervisor, salary, and which is of type integer, varchar, and integer. Okay. So remember what is varchar? I told you that varchar is nothing but a group of character. We can specify the range or length of the characters or the string. Okay. So it's nothing but the group of characters. So integer, I have told you the difference between the integer and the big integer. So their storage, they have difference in their storage type of the number. Okay, so big int can store the big number, and I have explained you this in detail in our previous video lectures. So if you are following the video, then it is easy for you to catch up. Okay, so I suggest you to please go through all the previous videos, so that you can have flow. So now let's continue with this video. We have table employee where we have four columns of type integer and varchar. So in this column, if we talk about the column, so employee ID is the column which have unique values. So employee ID employee ID जो है वो एक unique values है. What means we can use this as primary key. So we can use this employee ID as primary key because here it is saying that employee ID is unique. So now then we have name, supervisor, and salary. Okay, so each of this table indicate the name, the ID of the employee, and the salary. Clear? And now we have one more table which is called as bonus. So in bonus, we have two columns. We have employee ID and we have bonus. So here, same definition that in employee ID, the values are unique. So we can use this column as primary key. Okay, so now what the solution we have to written? So we have to write a solution to report the name, put the name and the bonus. So just try to write your query on your mind itself when it says that you have to report the name and bonus. So you have your first clause of select. So select name and bonus. It's ready. Clear? So select name and bonus from where? So name is in employee table, bonus is in bonus table. So what we have to do, we have to combine the both table. हमें दोनों table को join करना पड़ेगा in order to take both the information. So अब join कैसे करेंगे? So I think this is a very easy question if we compare to our previous two questions which we have done, which is rising temperature and the machine one. Okay, so the calculating of average time. So these two problems are very good and they are having much depth concept or much advanced concept as compared to this. So it's very easy problem. We have to just join the table and we have to return the two columns. So okay, so directly let's start the query. So while writing query, I will explain you. So what I have to select? I have to select the name. I have to select the bonus. From where I have to select? From name I am selecting from employee. Clear? And with employee, what I have to do? I have to join the table. I am joining the table. Join employee. Join on what? Join on bonus table. किस पे join कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Bonus table on. अब हमें we know that employee ID is common, so we will use that as employee. We will use that table as a foreign key. Okay. So हम लोग employee ID से employee ID के ऊपर join लगा देंगे. So join bonus on employee dot what is this? emp id equals to bonus dot emp id. Clear? So हमने join कर दिया है. Now select name bonus from employee, join on bonus on employee not employee id. Okay, so this we have joined. So अब देखो हमने सिर्फ cross join किया है. We have used basic join, but हमें क्या करना है? We have to take all the values from our employee table and matching values from our bonus table. So जो employee ID मेरे employee table में mentioned है, ठीक है, उन सारी की values मुझे check करने. Clear हो गया? So देखो, let's take this example. So now you can see we have employee ID 3, which is not present in bonus table. So that's why we are returning null. Okay, so this is Brad. Clear? So we don't have any employee or any bonus associated or any bonus for this employee. Okay, we don't have any bonus. So in result we have Brad. So what we can conclude from here that we for the employee IDs which don't have bonus, okay, for the employee which don't have bonus, we have to mark as null, but we have to include them. Clear? Because what the condition says, The condition is we have to select the name and bonus amount of each employee with bonus less than 1000. So जिनको bonus 1000 से कम मिलता है हमें वैसे IDs और वैसी जो name है वो return करना है. Clear? So यहाँ पे clearly we have 500 and 2000. So for 2 and 4, for 2 and 4 we have 500 2000. So only 500 will be there because the employee ID 2 getting the bonus less than 1000. इसको तो ज़्यादा मिल रहा है ना 4 को 2000. सो कौन कौन होगा उसमें? 4 तो नहीं होगा डेफिनेटली. सो 3 को बोनस नहीं मिल रहा है मीन्स इट इज लेस देन 1000 इंक्लूडेड. 1 को बोनस नहीं मिल रहा है विच इज लेस देन 1000 इंक्लूडेड. 2 को बोनस मिल रहा है विच इज 500 विच इज लेस देन 1000 तो ये भी इंक्लूड होगा. सो जिनके जो एम्प्लॉय आईडीज है उनके सामने अगर बोनस नहीं है, अगर एम्प्लॉय आईडीज का जो आईडी है वो मेंशन नहीं है बोनस टेबल में, उनको बोनस नहीं मिलता है, तभी हमें इंक्लूड करना है और उसके सामने नल लिखना है. क्लियर? सो select name bonus from employee ID. So what we will do, we will use left join here. We have to include or we have to check for all the values from employee ID. We have to take the name from there, left join bonus on employee ID. Now what is the condition? Where bonus is less than 10,000 or bonus is null. So in left join, जब हम left join करेंगे सारी की सारी वैल्यूज जो राइट्स जो लेफ्ट से है, लेफ्ट टेबल से, वो मेरे जो आउटपुट टेबल है उसमें आ जाएगी और जिसके सामने बोनस नहीं है उसके सामने ऑटोमेटिकली नल आ जाएगा. सो मुझे क्या रिटर्न करना है? जस्ट ट्राई टू विजुअलाइज. मेरा सारा का सारा एम्प्लॉय टेबल है मेरे पास, उसके सामने बोनस टेबल आएगा और जिसके सामने जिस आईडी के सामने बोनस नहीं होगा उसके सामने नल आएगा ऑटोमेटिकली. सो मुझे ऐसी आईडी रिटर्न करनी है जिसका बोनस लेस देन 1000 हो और जिसका बोनस जो हो वो नल हो. क्लियर? सो आई थिंक दिस इज इट. सो लेट्स ट्राई एंड रन दिस. Accepted. Clear? So it's very easy problem. Just the trick is you have to include the nulls as well. Okay, so I think we have done this problem in the starting of the basic joins, which is first problem I think. So you can see that we have successfully submitted the question and it is accepted. So yeah, this is the problem number 11th. So if you have any doubt in the problem or if you have any doubt in the previous two problems, I suggest you I recommend you to please watch the previous two problems. They are good and actually they have some concept and they have some understanding, or from there you can take good learning. Okay, so if you like the video, if you like the content, just subscribe the channel and like the video. Okay, so your subscription is important, so please like and subscribe the video. Okay, so see you in next video. Bye bye. See ya.